If you're looking for a new cell phone plan and feeling confused where to start, this video is for you. I'm outlining the simple 4-step process to picking a cell phone plan that works with your current phone, gives you the coverage you want, and saves you a lot of money on your cell phone bill. At the end of the video, I'll also give you my top recommendations for the best cell phone plans, so make sure you stick around to the end. Let's begin with step 1. Ask yourself, how much cellular data do I need? This is an important question. Most carriers want you to believe you need unlimited data. Why? Because the unlimited plans are the most expensive plans and the carriers make more money off of you. But it turns out average data use in the United States is only about 14.6 gigabytes per month, as reported by Ericsson's 2020 mobility report. Furthermore, it turns out people who are on unlimited plans only use about 18 to 20 gigabytes of data per month on average. This means people are paying for data they don't need. Learning how much cellular data you need per month is a great way to significantly reduce your cell phone bill. If you're feeling lazy, or as I like to think of it, time efficient, you can use the average data usage amounts and pick a plan with between 15 and 20 gigabytes of data per month. However, if you want to save the most money on your cell phone bill, here are the two options to figure out exactly how much data you need. The first option is to check your online account. Most carriers will show you your data usage when you log in and select a line. For example, on Verizon, simply tap Account, scroll down, and tap View Usage. Here, you'll see the data usage for your line, and if you want more detailed use, tap Usage Details, and this will show you exactly how much data you've used. The second option is to check your phone settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular. Here at the top, you'll see your data usage for your current period. Take note of that number. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the date your usage statistics were last reset. Use this website, which you can find linked in the video description, to enter the date your usage statistics were last reset and today's date to find out how many days it's been. Then divide your total usage for the current period by the number of days to get your average data use per day. Multiply this number by 30, and this is your average data use per month. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, Data Usage. Here, you'll see your total usage for your current billing period, and if you tap on Mobile Data Usage, you'll see a graph of your total usage, as well as have the ability to go back and see historical data usage. Check some of your historical months to see about how much data you need per month. Plans with less data are cheaper than plans with more data, which is why checking your usage and getting a plan that meets your specific needs is a great way to save money on your cell phone bill. Do keep in mind, if you ever need more data in the future, you can always upgrade your plan to one with a higher data amount. Okay, step 2 of picking a perfect cell phone plan is asking yourself, what features do I need and what features do I want? On my website, bestphoneplans.net, I compare 15 different features for all cell phone plans. If you're interested, I made a completely free helpful worksheet that you can find linked in the video description. It's just a simple Google Doc that outlines all the different plan features, what they mean, and gives you the option to check if it's a feature you need or if it's a feature you want. Then you can go to my website, click on Compare Plans, and select all of the features you need and see only plans that meet your criteria. Okay, step 3 of choosing a perfect cell phone plan is asking yourself, what network do I want for coverage? There is no point in getting a cell phone plan if you never have service, right? Thankfully, I have good news for you. Here in the United States, there are 3 main networks for coverage: the Verizon network, the AT&T network, and the T-Mobile network. And all cell phone plans from all providers will use one of these 3 networks for coverage. And yes, this includes the smaller, more affordable carriers like Mint Mobile, US Mobile, Red Pocket, Pure Talk, and all of the other ones you see here. This means if you're happy with your coverage, you can keep the same network and simply switch to a more affordable cell phone plan. And if you're not happy with your current coverage, then it may be time to switch to a new network. To see which network is best in your area, I recommend the site Coverage Critic. It was built by my friend Chris, so shout out to Chris, and all you do is enter your zip code, and the site automatically tells you which network is best in your area. You can find Coverage Critic linked in the video description. Finally, the fourth step to picking a perfect cell phone plan is to ask yourself, how many lines do I need? If you have 1 or 2 lines, then you're better off giving each person their own individual plan that meets their specific needs. However, if you have a family plan with 3 or 4 lines, then you'll want to look at plans with great group savings and discounts. Once you've answered these 4 questions, you have the information you need to pick a perfect cell phone plan. But how do you choose? Well, I built an epic cell phone plan comparison tool on my website, which you can find linked in the video description, that lets you filter plans by network, data amount, price, and features. You can use the tool to compare plans and find one perfect for your specific needs. Or if you'd like, here are 10 of my top picks for the best cell phone plans for 2022. For lighter users, I recommend you check out Mint Mobile, US Mobile, Tello, and Red Pocket. For under $20 per month, you can get a great plan with about 3 gigs to 5 gigs of data. I'm personally on the Mint Mobile plan, and I'm really happy with the service. If you do need more data though, then the best high data plans come from Mint Mobile, Boost Mobile, and US Mobile. For around $30 a month, you're getting a plan with between 30 and 35 gigs of data, which is over double the amount of the average use here in the United States. And if it turns out you do need a truly unlimited plan, then the best options come from Visible, AT&T Prepaid, and Walmart Family Mobile. Visible's unlimited plan is the cheapest in the industry at just $25 per month with their party pay discount. Check out my video here if you'd like to learn exactly how that works. And the other options from AT&T Prepaid and Walmart Family Mobile give you the absolute best value for your dollar on the AT&T and T-Mobile networks respectively. I do believe you need to sign up for these plans at Walmart though, so as easy replacements, you could also check out Cricket and Metro by T-Mobile. Finally, if you're a family, I believe the best plans come from US Mobile, Cricket, and Metro by T-Mobile. Seriously, you cannot beat getting unlimited data for $25 to $35 per line, especially when all of these plans include all taxes and fees. That's it for this video. Share this video with one friend if you found it helpful, and click the like button below to show your support. Thank you to these Patreon supporters for making videos like this possible, and thanks to you for watching. See you in the next video. Done.